Good evening, folks, to the main challenge now for the Inner Cases Studio for John. Challenge is live. There's at least lots of minis in this one. That's mini's been run and won. We've got mini. Oops, hang on. Mini fourth. All the way down to mini fourth. That, as I said, mini's been run and won. Putting that list in the randomizer at 8:43 PM local time. Mini fourth to mini fourth dice roll the 2 dice, no snake eyes. 8 times. Top name gets a half case of studio. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Harry on top. One more time. 8:44. Congrats to spot 55. Mini first is picked up. Had to go 8 times. Did go 8 times. Verification code at the bottom. The mini first has picked it up. Congrats. You have to go and watch the mini if you're in that. See if you won. Challenge complete. Congrats.